Planning a trip to Almaty, Kazakhstan? Here's your perfect 5-day itinerary. Day 1. Start your journey by exploring the heart of the city. Begin at the Green Bazaar, a lively local market filled with the aroma of fresh fruits, nuts, spices, and Kazakh sweets. You can buy local dry fruits, honey, souvenir, or traditional snacks to take back home. Next, visit the Rakhat Chocolate Factory, one of the oldest and most loved brand in Kazakhstan. And don't forget to grab some of these delicious chocolate for your trip back. Then head to 28 Panfilo Guardsmen Park, a peaceful green space built in honor of Kazakh soldiers who fought in the World War II. Within the park, visit the stunning Ascension Cathedral, a colorful wooden church built entirely without a single nail, a true architecture marvel. As night falls, stroll through Arba Street, Almaty's most famous walking street, filled with street musicians, lights, and cafes. It's a perfect place to end your first day.
Hakkını Көңлемдә минем алайда
Day 2. Get ready for a full day surrounded by nature. Take a scenic road trip to the Black Canyon. It is formed by the powerful Sharon River, which has carved a deep, dark color canyon through the rock over the millions of years. Next is Candy Lake. The lake was formed after an earthquake which caused a major landslide, effectively creating a natural dam. Later, the rainwater filled the valley and created the lake, which is famous for its submerged forest where tree trunks rise straight out of turquoise water. Continue to Kolsai Lake, which is known as Pearls of the Tiasan Mountain. You can go boating, hike the nearby trail, and just sit by the lake with hot tea and enjoy the view. Day 3. Take another nature trip, this time to Issyk Lake. This is surrounded by pine covered mountain and the crystal clear water. Then visit the Bia waterfall, a hidden gem known for its soothing sound and peaceful setting. Finally, drive up to the Ashi Plateau, one of the most beautiful high altitude valleys in Kazakhstan. Don't forget your camera, this is one of the most photogenic spots around Almaty. Day 4. Spend the morning at Shambhulag Mountain Resort, just a short drive from the city. Take the cable car all the way up. The ride gives you panoramic view of Snow-Capped Mountain. At the top, you can grab a hot coffee, relax at the cafes, or simply breathe in the fresh air. In the evening, get ready for something completely different, the Casino Zone, located about 70 km from Almaty. It often called the mini Las Vegas of Kazakhstan, where you can enjoy lights, music, and game in a safe, lively environment. Even if you don't play, it's worth visiting just for the experience and the energy of the night. Day 5, it's your last day, time for some shopping and relaxation. Head to Zanko's Battery Street where you will find local boutiques, souvenirs, and handmade crafts. For lunch, stop at Basilic Canteen. They serve a wide variety of local and international food at great price. In the afternoon, explore more cafes like We Drink, perfect for coffee, dessert, or a quick drink before evening. Finally, take a cable car ride up to Koktobé for your farewell to Almaty. Enjoy breathtaking city view, sunset sky, and a calm breeze. the perfect end to your trip. After that, it's time to pack up and head home with memories of Almaty's mountain, market, and magic. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more travel stories.